I want to get my custody issue resolved quickly. Should I just agree with my spouse and try to change the order later? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. And we just dealt with this issue a couple of weeks ago. We had a client who is dying to wrap up her divorce, and she doesn't see eye to eye with her soon-to-be ex on what the parenting time arrangement should be for the children. But because she wants to get things done, she's leaning toward entering an agreement, and her thought was that things are not working out, or if she can prove that things are not working out, that she can just go modify it later, file the paperwork in court, and go get it changed. And so I wanted to talk to you about the danger of this type of thinking. And really where the danger lies is in the standard for a modification. So in order to get a court order changed, in order to modify a court order, you have to prove that there has been a material change in circumstances. And although there is a fair amount of discretion in analyzing what exactly a material change in circumstances is, so judges have a fair amount of discretion, but it's very dangerous to assume that you'll be able to change a court order. And the standard is a very important one, because what many people think is a material change is not really a material change for the court. So the courts generally do not want to change court orders unless they really have to. And so if you are involved in a case and one of the key issues is parenting time or custody, then I would suggest you talk to an attorney about setting reasonable goals and getting the order you want in place, or at least as close to it at the outset. Because if you wrap it up, if you wrap the case up with an arrangement you're not comfortable with, you are then digging yourself out of a hole. And it's very dangerous to rely on there being a significant enough change to give you the ammunition you need to go into court and get what you want accomplished. So you need to do that now. Even though it's going to be more painful now, and it's going to take more time and probably cost you more money, you should not agree to an arrangement that you're not comfortable with just to wrap up the case with the thought that you can just go in later and change it, because there is a very real possibility that that won't happen. So talk to your attorney about setting reasonable goals. Now, of course, there are some things that you may not be able to get as part of this case, right? Sometimes people have expectations that are just not realistic. But if you connect with a reliable attorney, someone you trust, and you set those goals at the outset, maybe you're even a little bit more aggressive about it, right? So that you can push to get the best result possible. Then what you're doing is you're giving yourself the best chance of getting the arrangement you want long term. You're better off doing it that way, putting the time and effort up front, even though it's going to extend the case and take longer and cost more, than just wrapping it up for the sake of finalizing it. That feels better now, but then if you can't get what you want changed, then you are in for a lot of hurt and anxiety and strife for the long haul, right? In many cases, depending on what the issue is. But the point is, don't go that route. Don't wrap it up quickly just to get it done and rely on being able to change the court order later. It often doesn't work. It's a dangerous move. So talk to an attorney, set those reasonable goals, pursue what you want now. If you have any other questions about this, you can contact us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel, like it, share it with anyone you think might benefit from it, and you can find us on social at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.